Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Applied Communication for Healthcare. This is a new textbook and a new course that we're offering now. So there's a little bit of changes. So as I go through these changes, bear with me, work with me in regards to learning the new process. I've been reading the text. It's an awesome textbook. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. Just some information about the course as we start. This is an online course, so the majority of our information will be via Blackboard, and I think you're going to get a lot out of it. So if you look on the left-hand side, you have the announcement section, which is where some great information will be posted. I offer check-in videos that come up here, this being one of them, welcoming you to the course, but each week, most of the time, I offer a check-in video just to give you an update of what's coming next. So we have awesome communication. We work together in regards to this great course. Syllabus is the next thing that'll come up. The cool thing about this portion of the course is the syllabus, right, is already uploaded, and the course outline. I am working on the course schedule as we speak, so more information to come about that, but that is subject to change just based on how we're progressing through the semester and then information we want to continue to share. The course content is where the majority of the course information will be. Week 1, of course, it's available now. You can take a look at that. And then also some instructions about our APA paper, which will come up here pretty soon. And we'll talk about that here in a minute when I look at the syllabus. The resource section of the course has your ebook, and you're able to look at the book online via this section of the course. And I might upload some more information as time goes on in that area as well. Tools section of the course really talks about, hey, where is the library access that I need, where is information about the text, Blackboard help, that kind of stuff is in tools. For the course is where you have information about me. My background, of course, is in healthcare administration. I have a degree in health science and then also a master's in healthcare admin, finishing my doctorate as we speak. Still a little bit more to go. It takes a while. It's really challenging to go through the thesis process, but it's been a lot of fun. Happy to share more information about that. PMI mail, of course, goes to your Gmail, which we won't go into now, but there's some great things in regards to that. So going back to our process. So let's go up to the syllabus and talk a little bit about that. So our course syllabus, I got that open. You see some information, of course, on the syllabus about this class. So let's look at the main element of what we want to talk about here. How are we evaluated? You have an APA presentation and an APA paper, which is worth 25% of your grade. More information to come about that. You might have already seen the rubric in your course content section. If you want to look at it, feel free. Homework is strictly based on the text, and it's generated by a company called Flatworld, which generated our text, and we'll be doing at least 10 homeworks. More to come about that in chapter 1, 2. So your homework is generated through the textbook, so make sure you read the textbook, and then also you do have the opportunity to take the homework more than one time. PPS is, hey, how are you committed to the course? How are you interacting with others? And how are you interacting with the instructor? So make sure you take that into high consideration. That is communication, right? And PPS talks about how did you communicate over the semester. Discussion boards. So we'll talk a little bit more about discussion boards now. They are a summary of the week's material, and it is due most of the time, with the exception of week 1, by Wednesday. So your initial post, which is supposed to be 200 words, hey, what did you think about the material? What did you think about the first chapter or whatever chapter that you're in? Write about it in 200 words. And then once others also write, you reply to one other person by Sunday in 50 words. So you have an initial post, which is 200 words, and a reply, which is 50 words. And then finally, our final exam. You don't have a midterm in this class, you just have a final, and we'll talk more about that in the future. That is a little bit about the syllabus. That is a little bit about the course. More information to come. I appreciate your time and consideration, and I look forward to working with you. And reach out if you have any questions. My contact, of course, is pwilliams@pmi.edu. Happy to set up a Zoom call, talk to you over email, whatever it takes to make sure you're comfortable with this class. Well, that's it for the first check-in. I look forward to numerous others in the future and more information to come. Thanks so much.